Good evening, sir. Mabuhay. I'm Diane Lucy Rabino from BSHM Block 2. So, let's start with the first of the key features of culture. Culture is learned. Culture is not genetic. We are not born with culture. A baby can be raised in any culture, and he or she will learn the culture, that religion, that language, and the skills that are important in the culture, whether it is virtualing or computer programming. And also next, culture is social. A person needs to interact with other people for culture to transmitted. The more you interact with other people, the wider your appreciations for things, values, and concept well. And let's move on to the next culture shared. Culture is something that a group or people shares. It is shared, practice in shared understanding. If one person thinks something or behaves a certain way, that is not culture. It is a personal habit, but it's most of the people is a society to do it. Then it is culture. Culture is shared between members of group, meaning they all think and behave the same way because they grew up in the same culture. Okay, let's move on the culture is transmitted. The transmittal of culture can be done through practice with written form or verbal form. That what is important is that there is a means of method used wherein the elements of culture are passed on the other person and other generations. And now, culture is continuous. The transmission of cultural elements of one group must be continuous from one generation to the next. They ensure that there is a common understanding of the practices. And next, culture is accumulated. With so much history in any society, there bound to be changes in culture as compared to when it was initially practiced. Now, let's move on to another culture is integrated. Culture is a complex system made up of many parts that interconnected and related to each other. Some examples of the parts of culture are education, technology, marriage, medicine, economics, family, belief, and religion, governments, and language. And next, culture is changing over time is response to external and internal forces. External factors can include political or economic changes, while internal factors may involve changes with a particular society or group. As cultural change, new ideas, beliefs, and values can emerge that help shape the way people they think and act. And also, the last, culture varies from society to society of the many subgroups. Each one bring their own culture mindset to a bigger community. And that's all. Thank you, sir.